Real-time adaptive production scheduling system. The intelligent AI platform. At the brain of supply chain planning. Is your factory full of unknowns? In the shop floor, there's always a situation. Machine breakdowns, production suddenly halts. Reworks, quality issues send parts back for correction. Rush orders, urgent demands disrupt the plan. No 2 days ever feel the same. Unknowns lead to resource wasted, opportunity lost, and reduced profit. When everything changes by the minute, production plans simply can't keep up. That's why real-time adaptive scheduling matters. That's what RT-APS delivers. RT-APS, turning unknowns into real-time, actionable schedules. 3 uniqueness of RT-APS. Digital twin, mirror the shop floor. Non-stop scalability for distributed computing, scale compute with line growth. Self-developed algorithm RNMC, enables 24/7 zero downtime operations. As shown in the video, the fast-moving Gantt chart illustrates how RT-APS connects seamlessly with MES and IoT, creating a real-time digital twin of factory operations.
This is RT-APS interface. Click on Preferences in the upper right corner to switch the language. Click Security. You can configure permissions based on user roles, such as Sales or Production Planner. Next, in RTDS Management, configure the distributed deployment. Here we can see that the machine and processes are distributed across 2 hosts. Finally, RT-APS has a complete and sufficient set of parameter configurations.
Successful case in semiconductor packaging and testing. RT-APS delivers over 99.9% dispatching accuracy and keeps semiconductor factories running 24/7 with real-time efficiency. Overall performance boost, sustainable efficiency, customer loyalty, and profit growth. From this brief introduction video, we can see that RT-APS is an intelligent AI platform at the core of supply chain planning, designed for agility in today's fast-changing production environment. Feel free to contact us to see how it can power your operations.